70% of fractures in people over 55 happen from simple falls at home. Sometimes it is just getting up from a chair, tripping on a rug, or slipping in the bathroom. But there is good news almost no one tells you. 5 specific movements you can do in just 8 minutes a day can cut that risk by about 30%, according to studies from universities like Harvard. In this video, I will show you, step by step, these 5 movements, explain the medical science behind each one, and teach you exactly how to fit everything into your 30-day Enleve routine. The idea is simple. A few minutes daily now, for many years of independence and safety ahead. Let us protect your mobility for the next 20 or 30 years. Starting at about 55, something silent happens inside the body. Sarcopenia. That is the natural loss of muscle mass and strength, roughly 1 to 2% every year if you do nothing. Over 10 years, that can mean losing more than 10% of your strength simply from aging while being inactive. A 10-year study from Harvard Medical School followed thousands of older adults and found a very clear pattern. People who kept doing simple balance work and leg strength exercises had around 30% fewer serious falls and far fewer hip fractures. When we look at the so-called blue zones, places in the world where many people reach 90 and 100 years with autonomy, we see the same behavior again and again. Older adults who continue to stand up, walk, squat, and use their own body weight every single day. Today, our practical focus will be very clear. Quadriceps to absorb impact if you trip, calves and ankles to recover balance, and lumbar spine mobility so the whole system can move freely. No expensive gym and no complex equipment. You just need a solid chair, a wall, and a small safe space in your home. Let us start with movement number 1. The seated knee lift. Sit on a sturdy chair, preferably without wheels. Place your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, and keep your back straight with your chest open. If you feel unsteady, hold the sides of the chair lightly with your hands. Slowly lift your right knee until your thigh is parallel to the floor, forming a 90-degree angle at the hip. Hold for 1 second at the top, feeling the front of your thigh working. Then lower the leg slowly and with control. Do not let it just drop. Perform 15 slow, controlled repetitions with the right leg, then 15 with the left leg. Rest for about 30 seconds and repeat 1 more set for each leg. In total, that is 2 sets of 15 reps per side. Why does this work so well? The quadriceps, the large muscles on the front of your thighs, are the main shock absorbers when you stumble or need to stop a fast step. Clinical studies show that simple movements like this knee lift can increase strength by up to 20% in only 4 weeks of consistent practice. Within the first week, you will likely feel your legs wake up and everyday tasks like climbing stairs or rising from a chair become noticeably easier. Movement number 2 is the standing cat-cow with support. Stand behind a firm table or a heavy chair. Place both hands on the surface at about hip height, feet again at hip width. First we do the cow part. Inhale slowly through your nose and gently arch your back, sending your chest forward and slightly lifting your gaze. Feel the front of your body open. Hold this position for about 5 seconds while you keep breathing calmly. Now move into the cat. Exhale through your mouth and round your spine, tucking your chin towards your chest as if you wanted to push the middle area of your back up towards the ceiling. You should feel a stretch along the lower back. Hold for another 5 seconds. That is 1 full repetition. Repeat this cat-cow cycle 10 to 12 times in a smooth flowing rhythm. Do not force into pain. The movement should feel like gentle oil for your spine. Why is this so important? Roughly 80% of chronic pain in people over 60 is related to stiffness in the lower back from the years of sitting. By mobilizing your spine every day, you reduce stiffness, improve posture, and significantly decrease the chance of locking your back during simple movements such as bending down to pick something up or sear. Now we move to movement number 3, seated ankle circles. Remain seated on the same chair. Keep one foot planted firmly on the floor and lift the other foot about 15 centimeters, letting the leg stay relaxed. Imagine the tip of your foot drawing a circle in the air. Begin by making 10 to 12 slow circles in a clockwise direction, using the full range of motion that is comfortable. Then switch and do the same number of circles counterclockwise. After you finish, switch legs and repeat 10 to 12 circles each way, 2 rounds for each ankle. Half of all falls in older adults are linked to weak or stiff ankles that cannot quickly correct a misstep. This exercise lubricates the ankle joint, wakes up the small stabilizing muscles, and improves proprioception, your body's ability to sense where your foot is in space. It is a simple habit you can even do while watching TV, but it makes a big difference in how secure you feel when you walk. Movement number 4 is the wall heel raise. Stand facing a wall at arm's length. Place both hands on the wall at about shoulder height. Your feet are hip width apart, with heels firmly on the floor. From here, slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting both heels as high as is comfortable. Pause for 2 seconds at the top, really squeezing your calf muscles, and then lower your heels all the way back down in a controlled manner. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions in a smooth, steady tempo. If it feels very easy, rest briefly and repeat another set. The calves are sometimes called the peripheral heart because they help pump blood back from your legs to the rest of your body. But for falls, they are just as crucial. When you slip, your calves provide the push that lets you catch yourself. Studies with older adults show that strengthening the calves can improve balance recovery by about 25%. Finally, movement number 5, the balance march in place, done in zone 2 intensity. Stand in a safe, open area, free from loose rugs or obstacles. Start marching on the spot. Lift one knee at a time, bringing it a little higher than hip level if you can, while your arms swing naturally at your sides. The key here is the pace. You should be able to talk in short sentences, but not sing a full song without getting out of breath. That talk but not sing level is what we call zone 2, ideal for heart health in people over 55. Maintain this steady march for a full 3 minutes. Focus on landing each foot firmly, keeping your torso upright and your eyes looking ahead instead of down at the floor. This movement ties everything together. It trains leg strength, balance, coordination, and cardiovascular endurance all at once, mimicking the real-world demands of walking outdoors, crossing a street, or reacting to sudden changes in direction.
Now let us bring all 5 movements into a simple Enleve routine. On the days when you do your Zone 2 walk from video 1, whether that is outside, in a hallway, or on a treadmill, when you finish the walk, set aside 8 to 10 extra minutes. In that time, perform this full sequence: seated knee lifts, standing cat-cow, ankle circles, wall heel raises, and the 3-minute balance march. Do this complete routine at least 5 times per week. By the second week, many people notice less morning stiffness, more confidence when taking stairs, and a stronger sense of control over their body. Long-term studies show that people who keep up this kind of simple strength and balance work reduce serious fall risk by roughly 30% and report up to 40% better quality of life, mainly because they keep their independence for longer. If you want help organizing all this, I created a free PDF with these 5 movements illustrated and the full 30-day Enleve routine laid out as a checklist, so you can mark each day. In that same first link in the description, you will also find access to our full program with a private support group, where I and other members help you stay consistent. The investment is $147 with a full 7-day guarantee. If it does not feel right for you, you get your money back. Click the first link in the description, download the PDF, and start your Enleve mobility today. A few minutes each day now can be worth many years of active life later.